like to say a big congratulations to Munmun, because like she said, I read Unhooked and I was hooked. uh, Only because, as a girl, I think one has been through at least one of those many experiences that the characters go through.
When the book got published in June this year, I was thinking of a known face who could launch this book. And I wanted a very strong, independent woman to really launch this book. And I contacted a couple of actresses who fitted the bill and who did offbeat roles. But they politely declined, saying that they had no time to read the book. And then my friend Aparna Purohit, she told me, why don't you contact Vidya Balan? Aparna has read the book and she said Vidya is the perfect person to launch this novel. I'm deeply thankful to Vidya Balan for having launched my book.
मुझे याद है कि कॉलेज में अर्थ और मंडी दिखाए गए थे और मैं शबाना जी की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन रही हूँ पहले से। ये दोनों फिल्म्स देखने के बाद मेरी चाह थी कि मैं उनसे मिलूं और उसी दौरान किसी कॉलेज फंक्शन के लिए उन्हें इनवाइट किया गया और हमारे जेवियर्स कॉलेज के सोशियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट हेड ने मुझसे कहा कि अच्छा तुम जाके इनवाइट कर लो, तुम एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती हो तो मैंने बहुत पसंद करती हो। तो मैं उनके यहाँ चली गई और मैं उनसे मिल नहीं पाई, वो घर पे नहीं थी, इनविटेशन छोड़ के आ गई। जब वो कॉलेज आई तो मैंने उन पे कुछ बैज लगाना था, ब्रोच लगाना था, मैंने लगाया और मेरे हाथ कांप रहे थे। पर जिस तरह से उन्होंने मुझसे बात की बहुत अच्छा लगा और ये मैं हमेशा याद रखूंगी।
I think especially girls in media, I take the liberty to say that because we don't get too much time to invest in our relationships, and the little that we get, we're trying to make the most of it, and then therefore there's no patience, we're running out of patience. It's difficult. So I think I identified with it on a lot of these counts, and I think it's just that, it's that point of identification. Every instance mentioned in this book will find a resonance with women somewhere or the other. Either you've gone through it or you've seen someone go through it or you've heard of someone having gone through something like that.
Love is unconditional acceptance. Love is loving everything about the other person. And when that other person loves everything about you, you fall in love with yourself. That is what is love.
It's too personal and I wouldn't want to mention it, but I will say that I've had my share of looking at the ceiling and wondering what I had done wrong and why it couldn't work out for me. But thankfully, for those who believe in themselves and for those who believe in love, there's always a silver lining. Every cloud does have a silver lining. I love relationship stories. I like people stories. I'm not like a science fiction kind of person at all. So I need emotions, I need the drama. So invariably those are the kind of books that I pick up.